was pretty much pinned second gear, just about up that hill, and then I downshift the first. So again, first and second are enduro gears, so they don't go as fast as what they're supposed to be stock. Plus I have a 14 tooth front and like a 52 or something rear, and it's supposed to have much taller gearing. It's supposed to have like a 16 or something in the front, like a 50 or something in the back. So plus the transmission is supposed to have the lower gears, or I mean the higher gears. So well, yeah, these are kind of the warm-up hills, because you can't just jump on this bike and start riding, especially if you haven't been ridden it in a while. I haven't ridden a lot. It's just so much power to handle. So you need to go on some easy trails and stuff to get warmed up to the bike, where you can start going back on the hard stuff. So you need some warm-up.